Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. I am very excited to announce you all that guys, our new course has been launched at Udemy platform. The course is going to give you all about the idea of Node.js, Express.js with EJS template engine, Sequelize ORM and many more. Inside this course, we are going to develop complete library management system admin panel. So simply, if you are interested to enroll this course, go at udemy.com official website, simply type Node Express admin panel. It is going to look its database, wait for a while, and here we have complete library management system admin panel development in Node and Express.js. Now if we click on this course, and one of the most important about this course, that is, we have started from ground level. Ground level in the sense inside this course development is that what is Node.js, how can we install into our local machine, as well as how it is different from browser-based JavaScript. Also we have discussed all about that is what are modules in Node.js. So in the first section we had discussed all about Node.js basics. So starting from ground level, now we have moved completely ourselves to project background settings. Next we have worked over Sequelize commands and so on. So step by step, each module of this course is going to develop an admin panel. Still we are adding lectures inside this course, so right now we have 68 lectures, 9 sections, and it is going to take approximately 10 hours of study time. If you go throughout the course, then you can find several details about this. So inside this course, we are going to start with Node.js, Express, and as we know that inside Express, we have multiple template engines, so we are going to use EJS template. Also, for the database functional layer and database operations, we are going to use Sequelize ORM with the updated version as well as MySQL database driver. Inside this course, also we have used some bit concept of AJAX request type, and we have completed those AJAX requests by means of jQuery. So inside this course, you are going to make yourself as a complete Node.js developer with Express, EJS template, Sequelize ORM, MySQL database driver and jQuery. Also, if suppose you are a beginner in Node.js and Express in JavaScript framework, also you will get about the idea that is how can we plan before making any admin panel. What are its use cases, how can we create a database, or before going through any application, how can we plan our database architecture. So inside this, we are going to learn several things. Also, inside this admin panel, we will learn about admin authentication, because inside this course, for admin panel, we have a login system. So all the use cases of library management system, step by step, we have covered inside it. So if suppose guys, if you are interested to enroll this course, so after going through this course, please drop your comments and feedbacks. So I hope for the best. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.